Hey guys, just want to give a quick little update. All of the merch is back in stock. The Get Gapped shirts, the flap brim hats, the normal hats, and the 3-car t-shirts, including all the hoodies. They are all back in stock also. Go check out the merch. Carbon fiber intake?
Carbon fiber air ride.
What all is this thing getting done to it?
Cam, heat exchanger, pulley, and I believe that's it. Look at the slip and all, no more.
No,
but
a 5-inch intake to replace that thing?
I don't think it's got an intake. Yeah, it's got headers. Sounds like it's got a whole system. An intake, so bolt-ons. It's stuck right now.
It's stuck?
No, getting the radiator this thing, getting the radiator out of these things is a beautiful weather. Whoops.
What injectors is this getting?
ID 1050s.
Oh, okay.
That's what we normally put in them. When you get an inject, when you go we do a pulley and stuff like that.
Is that it for the press machine?
That's it. I'm getting there, relax.
You know what? You know. I'm just being on pair glove.
Yeah, you know, you steal a lot of things of mine.
Oh my god, I don't have the drill bit.
Yeah, because you lost it.
I didn't lose it.
Taking the headers off?
No, spark plugs out so I can do springs.
Oh. Couldn't tell what you were wrenching on from that angle.
Yeah, it's really dark and tight back here. Springs on a CTSV are the biggest pain in the dick hole.
Well, they say you really don't have a lot of room to work with.
Yeah, the back cylinders are not fun in V's. Not fun.
You're leaking from somewhere.
What? Oh, that's the fucking... It's the line. I knocked it off. Scared me. I was cooling. I was like, why are we leaking coolant?
What do you think this will end up making?
you had to guess? I'd say pick up 100 at least from this, right?
Cam pulley.
Cam pulley.
Yeah. But, no, only on top. Yeah, it should make around 6. For sure.
You ever thought about maybe putting some Transformer badges on your Camaro?
No, because I'm a f***ing loser. Or call every yellow Camaro Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Sick. Real original, dude.
I remember when, like, GM actually made, like, the Transformers edition. It was like a 2011 or something. It actually came with Transformers badges on it.
Yeah, and you're a little bit less of a loser if you buy that, but you're still a loser.
I feel like that was, like, kind of cool.
Unless you're collecting them.
Yeah.
You are a big-time loser if you have a regular Camaro and you start slapping
Transformers
Decepticon badges and swear that's called on it. You are a slapped ass. You really are.
When did that movie come out? Wasn't it like 2009 or something?
It was before the Camaro actually
came out. Or 2008?
Because it was just the concept car that was in the movie. Everyone's like, oh. Everyone was losing their minds. They're like, I want that. That movie was kind of cool when it came out, though.
Oh yeah, it was.
Didn't make me want to buy a Camaro, but.
Well, I was too young to buy a Camaro, but I certainly wanted a Camaro. What was your favorite Transformer?
I don't know what the names are.
Unbelievable.
Oh, the big giant lifted GMC like 4500, whatever it was.
Ironhide?
I don't know. It was this giant truck.
Is it a black truck?
Yeah.
I think it's Ironhide. I'm pretty sure that's my favorite too. I don't know why, but I thought he was a Dodge. No, you're right. He was a GMC.
Yeah, look at me go.
Yeah. That was my favorite too, though. Actually, no. As a kid, my favorite was Jazz. I'm pretty sure he was a Porsche.
Jazz?
Yeah. He was like a really small one.
Wasn't that the one who was like a Pontiac 5 or something stupid?
Or maybe it was. I don't know what.
See, it's not cool if he's a Pontiac 5.
I don't know, I'm seeing things of him being a Pontiac, but the answer that came up was his original vehicle mode was a Martini Porsche 935 Turbo.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I have no clue.
You still got the clip.
He got like ripped in half. Like,
what you get for being a Pontiac car.
It's a Pontiac Solstice.
There we go. Same thing. Oh, the vibes that hatchback thing. Never mind. That's what I meant. The Solstice. Stupid cool thing.
You don't like the Solstice?
No.
It's not bad looking though.
Oh, it's ugly.
It's not that bad. Look at it.
It's hidden. It's hideous. Look at the rest of it.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
You only work on 06 and newer GM performance cars, right?
Us?
Yes. I feel like that's what I've
Well,
heard.
that's not entirely true. But Corvettes, yes.
Okay.
Camaros, 5th gens. No, so it's 2010 of them. We do some G8s.
So let's say Cobalt SS falls into that range.
Well, that's not an LS or an LT, so we're not going to touch it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Eric, what do you think? You think Pontiac Solstice are cool cars?
Yeah, it's a 8.
Gerald down here thinks they're pretty sick.
We did a turbo kit on one time.
I seen someone.
Really? Here?
Yeah.
I seen someone.
Was
Way
it-
back.
was it
We
like-
won't do that no more.
I seen something else.
Was it LS swapped or something? Or?
No.
Oh.
Did you check up what the Saturn one was called?
No, I didn't.
Do
Do I need to look that up also?
You should look it up. I'm really curious to see what they call that thing.
I thought it is called a Saturn.
Saturn something though.
Saturn's like a trim level or something?
No, Saturn's a company. God, you
Oh.
are young. He goes Saturn's
you were
a trim level.
I thought you were talking about Pontiac still.
No, it's the Saturn version of the what's it called?
Is it this thing? Saturn Sky?
That's it, the Sky. Sky. Saturn Sky.
Eric, what are your thoughts on this thing? Saturn Sky.
Did you see me? I told you with my
I wish Pontiac was still around.
Why?
They had a lot of cool cars.
They have cool cars?
Yeah.
What cool cars they got?
G8, GTO,
2?
Trans Am.
that's back in the day. They stopped making that John new too.
Yeah, they could have brought it back.
He's like, Pontiac's got a lot of cool cars. I'm like, which ones? He goes, G8, GTO. I'm like, oh, too.
I said the Trans Am.
I wanted the Trans Am WS6 in the baddest way in high school.
I still want one. And we were just on the topic of Transformers for a while. You have a favorite Transformer?
I'm 40 years old, bro. I'm
Which means he has one. He's just not going to say
I said I'm 40. You could give me $1 million to name one of them, and I wouldn't even know where to start.
You would be able to name Bumblebee, at least?
That's what I said, this stupid Camaro thing, but no, I didn't know his name other than stupid yellow Camaro.
That's not even on the topics, because he's talking about people who, Camaros who put like the Transformer stickers all over their car.
No, I've never seen the movie, or any movie, or... No, bro. I'm 40.
Where'd you have to grind away at?
Grind away right there. I'm gonna paint that, and then grind right there, just because it sits. You can see where the old one over hit it. See those marks right there?
Yeah.
From when the car was on beforehand. Probably nicked it up right there. That's why they have you do this, so it doesn't happen.
Alright, CTSV 2. It is a 2011 manual coupe. We did a full cam package, heat exchanger, 255 pulley, and injectors. Don't know what it baselined. Got 493. So, see where we're at. Somewhere probably 600, maybe. Depends how much boost it picks up. But probably around 80 to 100 horsepower it'll pick up is my guess. It's rich. Took 10% out of it. It was like 10-0 as soon as I hit it, so. I love when customer cars have wide bands in them because I can look at here and there and just make sure that they're accurate. That way I know, like, if ours is reading correct or his is reading lean, I can let him know. And it's also good to just have two things to go off of. But these seem to be reading pretty evenly. .626, and it really only picked up 1.5 pounds of boost. Stock on the baseline it made 8.99, so it made 9 pounds, and there it just made 10.34, so it picked up like 1.5 pounds of boost. We got a new t-shirt design coming too, fellas. We're gonna do long sleeves again. These are long sleeves that we had forever ago. We haven't had long sleeves in a while, but I want to bring them back because I like long sleeves. If you guys notice, I'm wearing sweatpants today. I've never worn sweatpants outside of my house until today, but Matt and Eric were giving Garrett shit because he wore sweatpants to the shop today. And they're like, yeah, Garrett's new attire is fucking sweatpants. So I decided to wear them with them. I'll never wear them again outside of my house. And I'm not that guy. Just another way of with Garrett. Air fuel is dead nuts there. 633, 611. I mean, this thing's like dead nuts on the money, really. I didn't think it would make that much. I said it would pick up in between 80 and 100.
Big Kyle broadcasting 100.
Yeah, and it's 145 right now, so yeah, more than I, especially it only picked up 1 pound of boost, 1.5 pounds of boost. We made almost 11 there, so it picked up like almost 2 pounds, but still. See if it likes another degree of timing from like 4,200 and up. If anybody saw also, Travis Pastrana drove a top fuel car the other day. It's sick. Would love to drive something like that. All right, see what degree of timing does. 39. I'm actually gonna lean this thing out a little bit too. Just a little bit, like 2%. Try and get it to like 11.8-ish. Maybe not even, 11.6, 11.7 probably. I had a manual V, for those of you that did not know that. It was a 416 ported LSA blower, heads cam, blah, 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 the whole 9 yards. Made like 830, and this was, God only knows how many years ago. I'd have to say 7 or 8 years ago. I mean, it would obviously made more with like the blower ports and stuff now, but this was like back in the day. But it was fun. Then I got my ZR1, and my ZR1 had like a pulley and like gutted cats or some shit, and it went faster than my CTSV did. So I was like, F this thing, and I sold my V. If it was auto, I probably would have kept it, but I had my ZR1 and I had that, and they were both manual, so. I figured it would like being leaned out a little bit. 650, 621. Still not seeing any knock either, but I'm not gonna go any higher on timing. It's got 20.5 degrees in it, and in reality I'll probably pull a degree out before I give it back to the customer. I usually do. I won't make them that aggressive on the street. They don't need to be. Thing's actually only making like 10 pounds of boost. Here, I'll show you. So this purple is boost, so it was like 168 kPa the whole time, which is like not even 10 pounds, 9.8 pounds. And then right at the end, like this is past like, you know, 6,000, it starts creeping up, and then it sees 178 there, which is 11.3 pounds. So that's where that peak number comes from. But majority of the pull, it's, you know, just under 10 pounds. And then right at the end, they kind of creep up, so. But that's pretty stout. I mean, I'm not putting any more timing in it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then we'll do a final pull. All right, let this thing cool down as they went to lunch, so cool down for like an hour or so. Yeah, 669, 648, so 18 more.
Oh, fireball on that one.
Did it? Trying to see how many miles are on these things. I always forget how to use these f***ing dashes in these things. Oh, there we go. 35,000 miles. $663 there. All right, this thing's good to go. Click on the screen. 671. Good old dyno jets weird. 671, 648 torque. So it picked up like 180 horsepower, which is ridiculous. For a cam, pulley, heat exchanger, injectors, that's awesome. I made a video for Garrett since he decided to wear sweatpants today.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money. He's no good operator.
It's all in good fun. Later.